like we are from Calcutta, and it's typical, Calcutta more of embroideries and a lot of style. It's a total vintage collection, and it's a great time for a bridal exhibition. The marriage is approaching, so it will be a total bridal season, and a lot of brides are coming for the trousseau collection, and it's been great. We had a great day yesterday. We had a lot of bookings.
It's good. I mean, I would definitely recommend it to if you're approaching a wedding occasion and if you're approaching a winter seasons and a big pattern in wedding people in Jaipur and Rajasthan. So this is actually a right place to come and to demonstrate and to advertise yourself. The main focus for our product is it's just not a very quick service. I can't pay I can't pay attention to my audience over here because my service will take near about 45 minutes to 1 hour to get it done because entirely for the nails. But I'm creating an impact on the audience. They should come back to me.
Basically, our brand is Sri Lakshmi Creations. We have been into exports for past 15 years, and this year we have started off with a retail venture and wholesale. We are based in Chandni Chowk. So this is our first experience in Wedding Asia. So we have got a very good response regarding a lot of people. They haven't seen our kind of product, which is more of Western wear and Indian wear, and we cater to everything, starting from lehengas, you can see over there, to anarkalis, and we have saris over here, and we have all different kind of ranges to unstitched suits, like we cater, and gowns and everything, which girls are looking for the reception and other functions. So overall, it's a very good response, and people are taking our cards and they are saying they are going to visit us because they haven't seen this kind of stuff in Chandni Chowk.
From the last Wedding Asia I've come for, I think this was quite good because this time there was a variety of stuff ranging from average to very high. Earlier when I've come, it's usually very highly priced, so if you're not the bride and you just want something for a wedding, then you cannot just look around. But this time I thought there was more variety and it was much better than last time.
It's very nice, the variety is very nice. There are so many options that I can look forward to.
Did you like it too?
Yeah.
You like it too? And you found relevant stuff? Bought it for coming
for
for
a
the first
wedding?
time?
Yeah, for the first time.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was
First time.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, I have been a regular visitor to this exhibition, and it just gets better every year. So this time also I have seen some new designers and their fabulous showcase, and it's a very good platform for every new designer who is actually seeking out to the market, wedding industry basically. So I believe it's a perfect step and a very good initiative by Manpreet and Amarpreet basically.